I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use the meeting feature on Diipsolution. It's completely free, very, very lightweight, and it's very important for um, freelancers to have interaction, to engage their clients on Diipsolution. Depending on the service you're offering on Diipsolution, um, your client or your customer can either chat you up or book a meeting appointment before they hire you on Diipsolution. And that's actually very, very key to, to enhancing customer relationship on Diipsolution and building trust on Diipsolution. So it's very, very important. And I'm going to be showing you all the steps from, authentication to setting up your availability and hire booking a meeting appointment is just very, very straightforward. In less than 1 minute, you are done. So, first off, you need to sign in or you sign up. If you've not signed in before, you need to sign in Diipsolution. Then you can now go to your dashboard. It is from the dashboard that you can, authenticate and set up your meeting. So, once you click on manage meeting, you're going to see manage meeting. Click on manage meeting as you can see on the board. Then you see the drop down, select availability. Select availability. Once you select availability, because this is your first time, it's going to ask you to authenticate. You need to set up, this is where this setup begins. Once you click on authenticate now, just follow the prompt, add your Google account, input your password and select the options that you have. See the options, select the one that you're comfortable with. You need to select one of those options. Then it takes you back to this board where you can now add your time slot. So now you need to also, add the Google account too before you add the time slot so that your calendar, it's showing your calendar. That is the reason why you need to include your Google account. Then you set your availability Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever time you can be available for people to have a meeting with you. You can change that time at any time. You can change if you set Mondays, you set like 3 or 4 slots for Mondays and your time change, you go back and you schedule. You can do that as many times as you want. Just ensure that these are the time that people can reach you because once they book a meeting with you, you need to be available to have that meeting with them. So that is the essence of setting your availability. Click on the days, and input the time that you are going to be available. Once that is done, you can see select Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, then you save. That is all you need to do. Once you save, that is it. Then, if an employer wants to, hire you, they can see those time. Then, for you to book a meeting, you need to sign in as an employer. You need to switch to employer. That is if you are the one that is hiring, you need to be an employer to hire. So once you do that, you go straight to your homepage or explore tags. Click on that. You're going to see all the services that is available. You can search for the service you want, or you can search by name or by the service. So once you see the service you want, click on the service or on the name of the freelancer. It's going to take you to the profile. Then you have the option of either to send a message to the person to inquire or to ask him if you can agree on your timing and all that. Then before you hire, you need to book a meeting. So before you create a project for the freelancer, you need to go back and book a meeting with the person. So Once you click on book meeting, it's going to show you all the availability for every month. You can select any of the date that you see there. You can go to November and see this availability too. You can just select, then you see all the time that is available for that day, and that is it. You can see on the screen. So once you select that time, you input your meeting notes, reason why you are booking that meeting. So the freelancer can see the reason for the meeting, and he or she will approve your meeting. So that is all you need to do. That is all. It's as simple as that. It's free, it's lightweight, it's very clear, and you enjoy your conversation, and you can agree on all the terms and conditions, ask all the questions you want, and you know the transaction can commence from there. That is all you need to do.